Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the small shell and V-stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, the double crochet stitch, and the double crochet V-stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 4 plus 3. I have already made 23 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. We're now going to start our sequence. Skip 1 chain into this next one, make a single crochet. Skip 1 chain into this next one, make 3 double crochet. Now we're going to start repeating from this single crochet. Skip 1 chain, make a single crochet into the next one. Skip 1 chain, make 3 double crochet into the next one. Skip 1 chain, make 1 single crochet into the next one. Skip 1 chain, make 3 double crochet into the next one. Skip 1 chain, make 1 single crochet into the next one. Skip 1 chain, make 3 double crochet into the next one. Skip 1 chain, make 1 single crochet into the next one. When you reach the end of your row and you only have 2 chains left, you're going to skip 1 like we had been doing, then make 2 double crochet into the last chain. It's going to match the beginning of our row, and that's going to complete row 1. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of this row, make a single crochet. We're going to start our sequence. Skip 1 stitch, and then into this next stitch, you're going to make a double crochet V-stitch. So it's going to be a double crochet, chain 1, and then double crochet all into that same stitch. Now you're going to make a chain, skip a stitch, and then into this next one make a single crochet. Make a chain to skip a stitch, into this next one double crochet V. Make a chain to skip a stitch, into this next one make a single crochet. Make a chain to skip a stitch, into this next one double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. Make a chain to skip a stitch, make a single crochet into the next stitch, make a chain to skip a stitch, double crochet V into the next one, make a chain to skip a stitch, make a single crochet into this next stitch, make a chain to skip a stitch, into this next one double crochet V. When you reach the end of this row, you're going to have a stitch and some chains left. Make a single crochet into the tops of those chains to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 2 chains. Into the first stitch of this row, make a double crochet. Now for row 3, we're going to be working the same sequence that we made in row 1. So we have that single crochet and the 3 double crochet. So into the first double crochet V-stitch space, make a single crochet. Now we're going to move over to this single crochet by itself, make 3 double crochet into that stitch. We've come across a double crochet V-stitch, make a single crochet into that stitch. Next is a single crochet by itself, make 3 double crochet into that stitch. Make a single crochet into the next double crochet V, make 3 double crochet into the next single crochet stitch. make 1 single crochet into the next double crochet V-stitch, make 3 double crochet into the next single crochet by itself, make a single crochet into the next double crochet V-stitch. Then when you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 1 single crochet left. You're going to make 2 double crochet into that stitch. It's going to match the beginning of this row, and that's going to complete row 3. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the small shell and V stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.